Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, right about now, viewers and subscribers, there is something that is circulating on social media that is said to be a song. You get what I'm saying to you? And, you know, some persons call it a song, so I'm going to use the term song, you see me? Now, this song that is out on social media is getting somewhat of a buzz, you know what I mean? And some persons find this song to be racist. You get what I'm saying to you? Because this song went on to talk about Chinese being in Jamaica, and this song also talk about coronavirus and other things as well. Is what I'm saying to you? Now, the only reason why I'm bringing this song to you, my viewers and subscribers, is because it is out on social media and persons are talking about it and it is getting somewhat of a little buzz, alright? And I'm bringing this song to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a listen to it and you can tell me what you think, alright? And with that, there is two questions that I'm going to ask right about now, viewers and subscribers. Who did this song? And is this song racist or not? Is what I'm saying to you? Those two questions I'm going to ask, you see me? And before I play this song, I want each and every one out there know that Dancehall Skilla do not support any form of racism in any way possible. You get what I'm saying to you? So it doesn't matter where you're from, it don't matter if you're from east, west, north or south, it doesn't matter who you are. I respect each and every one out there worldwide. I do not support any form of racism, alright? Alright, now here's the song that I'm going to play for you, my viewers and subscribers. Take a listen and tell me what you think. Observe.
Coronavirus reached Jamaica. You wanna think a joke? Coronavirus, there is a suspected case of coronavirus up at the University Hospital right now.
We don't want nothing for the Chinese, don't ya? Get rid of them fast. Lord, give me the power. Be a things I want from the day them. Come here, mama did tell me bad luck. What's a don't have ya? We don't want nothing with the Chinese, don't ya? It look like a black man, them want devour. They stop your rice, be a cornmeal flour. Build them a hack, ship them out like an hour. See them now, coronavirus, it make it worse. No Chinese, me no trust. Me hear the news, by Facebook first. Then did I try hide, but I that make it worse. China, have people that drop like fly. From then we hear poor to the top comply. Social media a panic and cry. And I wish said the news what them hear is a lie. The way hospital have people have friends. Said them have a suspect, but them don't show yet. This is not one to sweep on the carpet. So Jamaican people, you better take check. When you are past Chinese, tap your bread. Put your hand over your nose, fly fast like a jet. Because me never been scared so yet. Me now wear no more Chinese clothes, not even a crap. Nothing for the Chinese, don't ya? Get rid of them fast. Lord, give me the power. Be a things I want from the day them. Come here, mama did tell me bad luck. What's a don't have ya? We no want nothing with the Chinese, don't ya?
Well, alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, the song that is out on social media where some persons find it to be racist, you know what I mean? And other things have been said about this song, you know? And, you know, let me know what you think about this song, you know, or what you have heard in this song. You see what I'm saying to you? Is it racist or not? You see me? And, you know, who did this song, you know, and other things, you know, just let me know what you think. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and, you don't know me Dancehall Skilla. I'm all there so to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what go on. You understand? So, until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see?